BERNINA of Naperville, and guess what? It's that time. We're here for the rehearsal dinner, and yeah, let's see if we rehearse well.
All right, hey, you know what I'm doing right now, right? But I wanted to take a moment because there is nothing more spectacular than what's right behind me. This cake is amazing. First of all, it has light, it has movement, it has all of my favorite things. There's 2 elephants on this thing, and I just couldn't be more proud, so yay. So hey, Julie Defense, I have to tell you, I watch your Instagram lives in the morning since you've been baking Christmas cookies, and I'm like, what about my cake? And your bakery did such an amazing job. These luxury cakes are, I just can't even express to you how amazing this is, and this might be the star of the show that has upstaged me, quite frankly. But so thank you so much. And you know what, I'm gonna have to get married every year so we can get a new cake. But you know, it isn't all about just exchanging some vows and a cake. It's also about dancing, dinner, sharing some wine, sharing some good times together, listening to music, and all of those things that, you know, you do at a party. And I have to tell you, it really takes a get-together like this to really appreciate, first of all, how good it is to see people that you haven't seen in years. You know, sometimes you might be separated by oceans. Sometimes, you know, people come from all over the country to just, you know, see you put a ring on someone's finger and all of those things. And it's really humbling. It is really humbling that our guest managed to get here through an airline crisis and travel crisis and storm of the century, this cyclone bomb. But you know, it meant something to them, and it means way more to Chris and I that they made it. So if any guests are watching, once again, thank you so much. You know, we can't just dance, we can't just drink, we can't just eat, you know, we got to do some other things, you know. And one of those was, we were blessed to have 3 beautiful performers from Cirque Vertigo. Now, Cirque Vertigo, they are an circus entertainment group based out of Sarasota, and we were just awestruck by their juggler, the aerialist, and the hula hooper. And this is not like hula hooping that you've done, ladies, you know what I mean, or gentlemen. This was like hardcore stuff. And I just, you know, it's hard. I'm really tired. I'm making this video the day after the wedding, and I am out of words. It left me speechless, and it was a gorgeous night for this. It was just such a great time. But you know, the best part is that even Chris got in on the act at some point. And you know, you plan these things for so long. It took so long to make this dress, come up with all of these things. You know, I had my little fitness regimen that I was trying to do, but you know, I'm also trying to run a store and do all of those things too. But you work so hard. You work so hard on these things. And the sad part is, it goes by in a flash. I mean, I know that I might not be alone in saying this, but it would have been, we could have done this for a few nights in a row, to be honest with you, but you know, that's not always possible. So thank goodness we have lots of friends that took video. Thank you to Edward Whelan Photography. We haven't gotten the professional photos back yet, but he took us off. I'm telling you right now, am just so thrilled with that. And he had a local photographer, Caitlin, with him, and she too was very amazing, still is actually. And you know, you can't put an event like this on without just a wedding planner extraordinaire, and Brittany and her team at Be Wed was unbelievable. And one thing that's kind of sad is, you know, you work with these people, you talk about the things, and now the wedding's over, and I don't think I'm going to need Brittany's services anymore. So hey, if you know anybody that's wanting to get married in the Sarasota area, check out Be Wed. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. And you know, you think you have a vision, and then when you work with professionals like Brittany and her team, then you're like, oh, okay, this is somebody that can reel it in and really make it a thing. And you know, if you need to tie the knot and you want a small ceremony or a large ceremony and you need an officiant, Grace Felice was wonderful with the Weddings with Grace. So, all right, this enough of the shameless plugs, right? We've got so many more things to do. And you know, I might just need to plop on the couch and tell you about those. Look, he agreed to sit here with me for the video. But I just wanted to take a moment and just say that, hey, we did it. We're hitched. It's happened. We're on our way to Thailand in a couple of days. And, you know, thanks for all your questions. You know, we've been posting pictures on social media and everything. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, these people are going to get sick of seeing this stuff. And guess what? You wanted more. Well, hopefully this video helped you feel like you're part of the family. And I'll tell you something, I can't be more thankful to Chris's parents, who are mom and dad to me, because they were so generous, so welcoming into this family. And this really was the happiest day of my life. And you never know about these things. You know, weird things can happen. Rain can fall. I could have tripped over my crinoline, you know, but it was a perfect day. So thank you to everyone. And this is it. So it feels a little bit weird to say this, but if you want to see more videos, not like this one, you want an actual sewing tutorial, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Right, honey?
Absolutely.
Okay. See ya.